Hey guys, we're gonna do a little quick unboxing or unpackaging of this Michael Kors card case. So we're gonna do a little quick unboxing today. So it's not gonna be like the original. So it comes in this little thing, packaging, whatever you wanna call it. And we're gonna open it. And give me a second, I'm just open it for you for a second. Okay, so the package isn't open. Well, it's open. So card case is in this. Boom. Any receipt, anything? No. So that's junk. So this is a card case. So we're gonna open it with like one-handed style. Boom. We're gonna slide it out. If it can come out. Alright. It's gonna give me a second. Let me just open it really quickly. Alright, so it's open. So comes in this plastic thingy. Boom. We're gonna open it. If we can open it. Rip it off. Quick, boom. Oh. Alright, so boom, simple, something that I just like pick up real quick inside. So what the frick is this? Boom, just some labeling and stuff. Pretty little quick unboxing with the Michael Kors card case. Using the card case, pretty simple. I'm gonna get some cards in it. I'll let you guys see it. Give me a second. Alright, so I got some cards in it. I don't know why the front one won't open. It says 6. It's supposed to be a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's only 4 right now. So one's supposed to come here, one here. You can keep a little cash in the middle. Little split plot right here. Boom. Yeah. So it's supposed to be a 6 piece. I can't get in the front. So probably that's gonna do with time. So Michael Kors little unboxing thingy. Just did this video real quick. So peace out, guys.